Hello, my name is Hamad and welcome to Neural Code, Day 5. Today we continue our journey. If you are new to this channel, make sure to start from day 1 because all videos are somehow connected to each other. Anyhow, let's start this video. The first thing I want to highlight in this video is writing readable code. Here I give you two examples. One is I gave a constant name and I choose time. The other example is unknown. So when you see this constant somewhere in your code and you read time, you'll get it. Okay, time will hold number. Okay, where in unknown you will be confused and you will have to go back to where you declared your constant and to make sure that okay, unknown is double and the value is this. So make sure to write readable code. The other example, when I gave you introduction to types, I wrote integer, double, float. I gave them very ridiculous name. But in real life, we don't do this. We do this. Next, we have type aliases. Type aliases will help you to write readable code. And here is the example. Type alias is a reserved keyword inside Swift compiler. Type alias as a keyword and you give it a name. So in our example, name of person equals, we specify the type. Okay. Type alias name of person of type string. Instead of writing string, we said, okay, name of a string, and assign it to Hamad. Very simple. Now, this is very convenient way, and it will help you as well as other developers to read your code very quickly. Next, we have Booleans and conditional statements. We know that Boolean has two values. Either it's true or false. In our example here, we check if bool, which is the constant, bool has a value true. If bool is equal to false, then do this. Otherwise, do that. But in this case, we said, okay, Boolean, if it's false, print the constant name. Otherwise, print not true. In our example, Boolean is already true, and we are checking whether it's false. So it won't check, and it won't print. So it will print not true. Let me show you. Not true. But if we do this and run again, it will print Hamad, not true. Next, let's move to tuples. Tuples are very nice. And why is that? Because it can group multiple values into a single compound value. The values within a tuple can be of any type and don't have to be of the same type as each other. Let me give you an example. I have declared a constant name any person and it has Jake, 46, 165, and male and true. If I want to print any person like so, I will get the whole list. But if I want to print only the name dot 0, which is this one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So print again, you will see Jake. Awesome. Now, what can I do more with tuples? Tuples, we can assign tuple to multiple constants. In this example, I say, okay, let my name, age, height, gender, available equals to any person. And if I print age, I will get 46. Very simple, right? and very cool. The last part I want to talk about in this video is optionals and nil. I've already declared a variable and I gave it a name, optional value of type string, and I have assigned it a value. And I have added a question mark, and a question mark means this variable is optional. So at some point it might have no value. So if I want to print optional value, you will have optional hello, not only hello. Okay, and why is that? Because it might have nil, and nil is this reserved keyword in Swift compiler. And if you want to remove optional, you will have to add exclamation mark. And just to make sure that if you want to force the unwrapping of optional value to a variable, make sure there is a value. If there isn't, the code will crash. The other way is to treat it as any. So it might have a value or not. I don't care, just print. Okay? Now, in the last part, I want to assign optional value to nil, and print again, it will have nil as a value. The last thing is var non-optional of type string equals to world. Okay? Non-optional equals to nil. You will get an error. And why is that? Because nil cannot be assigned to type string. In here, you can assign an optional value to nil because string is optional with a question mark, but in this example, in this variable, the string is not optional. So you can't assign nil to non-optional, but you can change the value just like that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I see you in the upcoming video.